I present to you my 家傳之寶八卦劍 not 八卦, okay? Today at MOBHouse Punboxing, we have the bestest fengshui in town. Running water to cool you down. RGB breeze all year round. Be the player of your playground. Nice our new intro. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook page at MOBHouse Productions if you want to see more videos like this. Anyways, let's open this black box. Inside you have black boxes. And this is the instructions manual that you should check out if you're not as smart as Limpe. Then we have this white box that have a black fan. Don't say Abam didn't teach you, okay? If you see a girl you like, go and tell her, babe, so many fans and you're still so hot. And then if one day you guys get married, don't forget to send me an invitation. I'll come over and give you an ang pao, bro. Steady one. Next, we have the mount and all the kachang or screws for you to install your cooler onto your chapu or CPU. And this is the very powerful RGB juice. If you inject yourself with it, please don't try this at home, you will get so much RGB! Next, we're gonna take out Cassie's favorite long black tick thing. This is a radiator. This radiator will contain your RGB juice so it won't spill. Take a chill pill, chase the thrill, go fulfill your goals of thrills and be the pro and rain dollar bills. Baby, I need some dollar bills to have fun tonight. No money, no honey, bro. You know not. Your mother no teach me? Next, we have the pump, so you can pump it. Like the black RPs and get some more RGB goodness up in here. So you can pump out all the RGB milk and feed it to your babies. Moving on! This Aorus Liquid Cooler has a 60 by 60mm LCD display to show you that Simon is a noob for not plugging in the temperature sensor. Bordeaux! With three 120mm ARGB fans, these RGB winds will turn the tide with pre-applied thermal paste for you noobs who love oops. Because the radiator is very slick at only 24mm thick. Coffee, tea, Aorus. Come be the first. Take out your purse, kiss a nurse, break the curse of the hottest CPU in the universe! The Aorus Liquid Cooler 360 is priced at 999 ringgit. Not very cheap, but still buy because it's very nice. If you thought this video is awesome, please give it a like and share. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel at MOBHouse Productions for more videos like this. Don't forget to leave a comment down below to let us know what other stuff you want us to punbox, and I will see you in the next one.